Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial at What Rewards. In this video, we're going to take a look at Helipadi. Helipadi makes helicopter trip planning easy with its extensive database of landing locations. Each landing point displays its What Rewards address, and this is a scalable and error-free solution to storing and sharing precise landing information in a simple way. Helipadi is available on App Store, Google Play, and desktop version. On the video today, we're going to take a look at the desktop version. So let's go ahead and go to Helipadi's website. And you are going to need an account in order to use Helipadi. In this case, of course, I already have my account. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on paths. Once I click on paths, you can see all the pins on the map. These are showing all the landing locations. I'm gonna click on one of them. Gonna pick Sligo Airport. And if I click on the name, it jumps to a different page. And it gives me a map, weather forecast, and a picture of the airport. And if I scroll down, I can see location information, the What Rewards address. In this case, it is Uninspired Carpentry Haunts. And if I scroll down, we have address, the category, name, contact information, and lastly, the description of the site. Alright, this is how easy it is to use Helipadi. See you next time.